What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year. Got myself a coffee. Customer just made it for me. Miss Barb, legend. I'm just here for maintenance today, but I've been coming here for about 4 years now, and I know this capacitor's been very weak. So what I'm gonna do is a new year, new me. I'm gonna go ahead and install the capacitor for free just because they've declined it each time, and I'm not too concerned about the price because we can afford to put in a free capacitor for some people. And like I said, these are some legacy customers of ours, and I want to take care of them. They take care of me, so just got to get in here and start rocking and rolling. Y'all already know. We're gonna start here. I just tested the system in heat. It was already running. It satisfied itself, so not too concerned. I get all my components ready to go for maintenance, and then I'll go grab the hose to clean it out. But y'all already know the deal. Get your photos. And the good thing about these Linux systems here is they always have these stickers right here on the inside, so it makes it a heck of a lot easier to go ahead and get another photo just in case the data tags are so worn out. Alright, so that's a 7010. Like I said, got us a Mars. I didn't have any Titan HDs, but these are just as good. 7010er. I thought these were American, who were assembled in Mexico. Well, that's technically America, North America, right? As you can see, it's had some work done to it here. There's things wired together and all that good stuff. Shut that off and make sure power is dead. That's what we do. Maybe that doesn't work. I don't know, maybe why somebody did that when. So we're dead there now. Let's double check to ground. I'll just go right here to ground. How about that? 0, 0. Nothing. So good to go there. Got it all discharged, disengaged. And they've actually had other work performed by other contractors, and that's totally fine. Most people, I'd probably say. That's what happened to me on one Christmas morning. What happened? Tell me about it. What? There's no way.
Santa lost his button.
Where did he lose it at?
In my stocking.
What? Can I see it? Wow. Property of Santa. Oh my goodness. So what do you got? How are you gonna return it?
Well, I'm gonna leave it
Yeah.
out.
Next year?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next year I'm gonna leave it out beside my stocking.
Okay.
And then Santa's gonna come. He's gonna take his button and leave me presents.
That's right. Man, did you have a good Christmas? Mm-hmm. Wow. I love that. Man. Do the elves visit you?
Yeah.
You get the elves?
And guess what happened to me this Christmas for my elf?
What happened?
I have a baby elf.
Did you have a baby elf?
Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna go that way.
Okay. Alright. So, got a bee over here. One of them honeybees buzzing by me. Alright. Swap this over to our microphones here real quick. Hold that there. Just trying to get y'all to see that. We'll put it here. You still riding that bike?
Yep.
All right.
Claire's gonna come out.
Oh, Claire's coming out?
She's gonna ride Claire's bike.
I love it. What? 57. You'll see that? 57 on our Herm. And 4.5. Quite frankly, it's been running like that for like 4 years, but 'tis the season, right, folks? So, like I said, gonna throw our Mars capacitor in and just finish out this maintenance. We'll save that. We'll just put that there for a minuto. One reason I'm able to kind of give away these components here, even though they're pretty cost effective, we got to pay for it, is because of Camel City Mill, which is the best work socks in the games. Rocking them right now. Shout out to Camel City. Wait a minute. You don't know about Camel City Mill? Let me tell you about them. These are 100% made in the USA work socks. The last work socks you're ever going to buy. They come with a 10-year warranty. Hell, these things are going to last longer than most of the equipment that we're working on out in the field these days. Am I right? I can't tell you guys enough how much I love these socks. They got reinforced toes, heels. They use Dan Marino Ironside wool. For the longest time, I was looking for the right work socks. I tried the Nike Dry Fits, Under Armours, Hanes, the crew socks that they say they're made for work, and none of them work as well as Camel City Mill. Trust me, the day those things popped up in my inbox, I was super pumped and stoked to be able to get them on my feet, try them out, give you guys my experience, and hopefully you guys get to experience it yourself by clicking the links down below, saving yourself some money. Trust me, you guys will not be disappointed. Your wallet's going to thank you, and your feet are going to thank you. I'm going to thank you. So again, guys, thank you for supporting the channel. Click the links down below. Now let's go ahead and finish out this video. So, follow this red. This red is here. This is our common. That goes on the one leg of our capacitor there, which is all our common here. It's purple, as you can see, goes up through here to our fan. So that's just going to go on the two-pronger. That only leaves us with one more wire, which is our compressor, our hermetic compressor. We're going to put that there, and bada bing, got ourselves a new capacitor. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this maintenance, clear out this drain line, added this clean out tee last time to make it a lot easier to be able to get all this stuff. One thing you guys will see in Florida is we have a lot of this poly pipe, which is smaller diameter. It goes to our 3/4 PVC, which tends to cause it to back up quite a bit, but that's a no problem for us. But got that there, shop vac. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna catch you guys in the truck. It's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. Like it's just a capacitor change out, but given the opportunities that I have, I went ahead and just provided it because they are on a fixed income. It's one of those things where you're like, so I had mentioned that they had another contractor do some work for them. The issue that they were having at the time was a lot of mold was being created because the unit was flooding back into their return plenum. I quoted a air handler removal, replace the supply plenum, rebuild the deck, and also rebuild the return. Obviously that price was going to be a little bit higher than what they could budget for, so they got somebody else to do it, and honestly they didn't even do anything. They changed the return in the living room with a filter back, but they just didn't do the job right. It's still too small, and all they did was remove the return plenum. But I went ahead and quoted to redo the whole decking, the return plenum with new duct board, and then redo the supply, just so they could feel a little bit of relief from those issues. Like I said, they had water damage from the drain line backing up, getting into the walls, and just creating mold. Real mold this time, none of that bullshit air scrubber sales. Excuse me. Anyways, completed the maintenance, did the drain line, the whole shebang, did everything else, sprayed the coils down, that good stuff. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you could, smash the like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.